fellas. This was the last known sighting of that muskie. So I'm gonna hit this hole all the way down through there pretty hard. So I think he's somewhere in here. This is the deepest part of this little stretch. So I'm hoping he's in here somewhere. First cast, here we go. If this spinner doesn't move him, I might switch on. Oh. If this little spinner doesn't move him, I might switch to a Rapala. A little husky jerk action, see if that won't move him or catch his interest. I think he's in here though. Be nice to see him surface or something. That way it give me an idea where he's at. Or, you know, blow up maybe. That'd be cool. Oh, boys, I think I got him. Oh boy. I think I got him, boys. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what this is. I think it's him though. Oh boys, I got him. Oh man, whatever it is, freaking big. That is a, what is this? Well, not the musky, boys, but this is a freaking big catfish. Man. Oh, I got a little excited. I mean, I am excited. What am I talking about? Yeah, I'm gonna lose some drag on you, buddy. Jeez. Look at the size of this catfish, boys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'll tell you what. This is probably one of my bigger catfish that I've caught. Oh man, look at the rod bend on him. I'm letting him run. He can be here all day if he wants to. Oh man, that's a big freaking catfish. Oh, netting this guy's gonna be fun. Oh my. Oh, there we got him. Whew. Oh my goodness. That is a nice catfish. Is he off? I think he might be off. No. My gosh, look at the size of that catfish. All right, put the pliers on him and get him back in the water. Jeez, man, this thing's freaking big. I did not expect that. Buddy, let me get you on pliers out of you. I gotta watch because he is hooked in a pretty bad place there. Whiskers, I gotta watch that. Man, he freaking engulfed this thing. Well, hook's out. Hold him up here for a... I gotta watch them freaking... Oh! Alright, boys, there's a big catfish. I think he's ready to go back though. Oh.